Hello from Slovenia again. Uh, my hand is still hurting. I did the pour from the previous pour and it kind of get a little worse. So I just look for some videos that I filmed just, when something goes wrong, like it was the case here, that I did a pour with some reds, gold, burnt umber, what I had, Naples yellow red light, and I just didn't like it, and I scraped the paint from the canvas and from the table. And why I'm showing you this canvas is, if this happens to you, that you don't like the pour, that you scrape the paint, and I really like that salmon kind of color. How can I say, it dried really beautiful. I think that if you use that for your background and do a blowout or Dutch pour technique on that background with the same colors that are in this mix for the background color, it's always a good combination, because you have all these tones already into this color, so it should be okay. And of course I added some white, and at the end I realized that it was a little too much white, but I still like the end result. And as I said, I wanted to show you that you can use this scrape of paints for your background, and use the colors that you used for the painting, that those scrape offs are now your background color as the colors in your Dutch pour, because it's definitely a good combination of everything color wise. And I attached the dried result from my previous pour too, that I used that crafter's choice pearl paints, and they dried really gorgeous and shiny. So make sure that you will check that one too, and of course the dried results of this painting. So don't forget to check that. Subscribe, share, like, leave a comment, support me on my journey, and thanks for being here. So here is the painting from my previous pour dry, because I tested this Crafter's Choice pearl paints and they are really shiny. That's why I have my lights on. I just don't know if I like the purple one, not my shade of purple, or how can I say. So here is the dried result. I just wanted to show you, if you scrape off some paints and you have some of them that you did an original pour with still in your cup, this is what I do, because the background color is mix of all of those red and gold and dark brown, and kind of match all the colors. And of course I added white, maybe a little too much here, but it was just something that I wanted to show you what I do. And since my hand is still hurting, I can't film new videos, so this was filmed ones that I, did a pour and I didn't like it, but I like this outcome. I don't know, maybe it's better this way. Definitely I shouldn't have added as much white here. I see, maybe I should add some gold accents, some here and there or something, but otherwise I love it. Yeah. Thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye.